aboard. My name is Mariana, and I'll be your conductor for your trip on the Ghost Town Calico Railroad. The train will be leaving the station in a few moments. Please remain seated, keeping your hands and arms inside the train at all times. And the only thing allowed to smoke on this train is the engine, so no smoking, please. Our railway was established in 1952 and has been in operation ever since. The locomotive and rolling cars here in Laxton are over 140 years old and used to carry passengers to and from Denver and the Bureau Grande. If these railroad cars could talk, they tell tales of gold rush, cowboys and soldiers, dreams and fortunes of the pioneers and great of the West. Montreal's long-lasting dedication to us railroad and traditions have been maintained every day since. Have a great journey. We'll see you back at the station.
Keep your eyes peeled for robbers.
You might rob, but even tigers scare them away, right? You can scare away the robbers.
Do you like this train? I go from Rome on this side, cross over and then anyway. And then yeah, this is it. You see if I could like all over like Chambers. Oh yeah, we have like Athens, Malta.
Put your hands up. Come on, buddy. Your brother got money? You got the money, don't you?
Oh my God, we're gonna rob her.
Come on, there you go, buddy. Come on. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Come on, good job, buddy. All right, good. You know, you're mighty cooperative over here, sir. You got any money?
Yeah, it's in this box, which is
Oh,
nothing.
you already been robbed.
Yeah, I've already been there. Someone beat you to
Got
it.
a tiger by the tail. Come on, tiger.